Economic importance of bacteria. You know that the bacteria plays a very important role in many ways in our day-to-day life. Now let us see whether they are our friends or they are our enemies, and it is up to you to justify it. Bacteria useful to mankind. Soil fertility. Nitrogen fixing bacteria. Nitrogen fixing bacteria are found in the soil either freely, that is, Azotobacter, Bisonichia, and Clostridium, or in root nodules of leguminous plants, that is, Rhizobium leguminosarum. Here is the Azotobacter free living, and nitrifying bacteria, the decay of plant and animal proteins affected by saprophytic soil bacteria returns nitrogen to the soil in the form of ammonia, and this process is termed as ammonification. Nitrification occurs in two steps, nitrosomonas and nitrosococcus. You know, you have studied earlier while discussing the respiration that one converts ammonium compounds to nitrites, and then these nitrites are converted to nitrates, and plants they take the nitrogen supply in the form of nitrates. Decomposers. Decay of dead plants and animals. Some bacteria, for example, Bacillus mycoides, Bacillus ramosus, Bacillus vulgaris, etc., attack dead bodies of plants and animals and convert their complex organic compounds like proteins into amino acids and then amino acids into ammonia. This is Bacillus mycoides. The decomposition of dead plant and animal bodies largely by the bacterial action returns carbon dioxide to the atmosphere and nitrate to the soil. Aerobacter aerogens decomposes DDT, Flavobacterium and Corynebacterium decomposes 2,4-D. This is Aerobacter aerogens. Decomposition of petroleum on ocean beach. In recent years, a genetically engineered bacteria named as superbug, its technical name is Pseudomonas putida, was developed by Dr. Chakravarti, which can feed on oil spills and petroleum and thus proves to be of immense utility in curbing the water pollution of sea and oceans. And this is the superbug created by Dr. Chakravarti. Disposal of sewage. The composition of sewage waste, methane, and carbon dioxide are produced by methanogenic bacteria, for example, Methanococcus and Methanobacterium. The methane is used as biogas, as fuel. This is Methanobacterium. In dairy, following bacteria are responsible for dairy products: curd, Streptococcus lactis; cheese, Lactobacillus lactis; butter, Streptococcus lactis; yogurt, Lactobacillus vulgaricus; buttermilk, Streptococcus lactis and Streptococcus cremoris. This is Lactobacillus vulgaricus, and this is Lactobacillus lactis. Industrial value. In vinegar industry, initially the carbohydrates undergo fermentation to be converted into ethyl alcohol by the action of the yeast. In the second step, the aerobic bacteria Acetobacter aceti and Mycoderma aceti oxidizes the alcohol to acetic acid. And here is the equation that how ethyl alcohol is converted into acetic acid by Acetobacter aceti. Fiber rating. The fibers of jute, hemp, and flax are separated from fiber-yielding plants like Linum acetatissima, which is called as flax or sun, Cannabis sativa, hemp or putsun, and Corchorus capsularis, that is jute. This process is carried out by Clostridium butyricum, Clostridium falcineum, and Clostridium pectinovorum, etc., inhibiting the water. This is Clostridium butyricum bacteria. In tobacco industry, Bacillus megatherium and Micrococcus candidans is used for developing flavor and taste in tobacco leaves. In tea industry, by fermentative action of Micrococcus candidans, the curing of the tea leaf is done. This is Bacillus megatherium, and this is Micrococcus candidans. Antibiotics. Most of the broad spectrum antibiotics are obtained from bacteria. Streptomycin from Streptomyces gracius, chloromycetin, which is called as chloramphenicol, from Streptomyces venusulae, aureomycin, that is called chlorotetracycline, Streptomyces aureofaciens, terramycin, which is called as oxytetracycline, Streptomyces remosus, neomycin from Streptomyces ferredi. Erythromycin from S or Streptomyces erythraeus, kanamycin from Streptomyces kanamycetius, and bacitracin, Bacillus subtilis, polymyxin from Bacillus polymixa.